Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some important questions from alcohol, phenols and ethers. Are you ready? Okay, let us start. When 3-methyl butanol is treated with HBr, the following reaction takes place. 3-methyl butanol is treated with HBr. We will get 2-bromo-2-methyl butane. Give the mechanism of this reaction. How we can write the mechanism of this reaction? Let us see. First we should write 3-methyl butanol. 3-methyl butanol. This is the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of this reaction. When 3-methyl butanol is treated with HBr, in the first step there is protonation. That is the first step, protonation. Okay. Then we will get CH3, CH, CH3, CH, OH2, CH3. Understood? First it undergoes protonation, then we will get in this place OH2, O plus H2. Okay. The first step in the mechanism of this reaction is protonation. Then we will get here OH2. Understood? Then second step, that is loss of water. That is the second step. So we can write the second step here. That is CH3, CH, CH3, CH, OH2, CH3. Water is removed from this compound. Loss of water. That is minus H2O is removed from here. Then we will get CH3, CH, CH3, CH plus then CS3. Okay, water is removed from this carbon. Then we will get CS3, CH, CS3, CH plus CS3. Can you say this is a carbocation? Can you say this carbocation is primary, secondary or tertiary? Correct. This is secondary carbocation, because this carbon is attached to two other alkyl groups. Okay, so this is secondary carbocation. Among this primary, secondary and tertiary carbocation, which is more stable? Correct, tertiary carbocation is more stable. So this secondary carbocation rearranges to form tertiary carbocation by hydride shift from the third carbon atom. So third step means that is hydride shift. So CH3, CH, CH3, CH plus CH3 undergoes hydride shift. Here we can write here hydride shift. This positive charge from this second carbon to the third carbon, and this hydrogen is removed from here. This positive charge is removed from this carbon to here, and this hydrogen is removed from this to this carbon. Then we will get CH3, CH3, this is positive, then here CH2 and this is CH3. Understood? Okay, this is known as hydride shift. This is secondary carbocation and this is tertiary carbocation. Then in the fourth step, the bromine react with that C plus carbon. Okay, then we will get the resultant products. So first step, that is the protonation and HBr. This 3-methyl butane-2-ol is react with HBr. That step is known as protonation. Then we will get here OH2. In the second step means that is loss of water. This H2 is removed from here. We will get secondary carbocation. In the third step, the secondary carbocation undergoes hydride shift. Then we will get tertiary carbocation. Understood? Okay, then we can see the fourth step. Okay, then in the fourth step, we can write here, in the fourth step, S3C, CH3, CH2, CH3 react with Br minus, then we will get CH3, CH3, Br, then CH2, CH3. Understood? Okay. This tertiary carbocation react with Br minus bromide ion, then we will get our products. Understood? Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining questions we will study in the next class. Until then, bye.